Mike Levitt here again with my Chuck Taylor Corrugated Kicks cardboard shoe tutorial series. This is the 4th part of a 10-part series. If you haven't cut a piece for your insole yet, do that now. Use my templates either from my book or my website for reference. Cutting your insole slightly smaller than the rest of the sole makes a little space to accommodate for the thickness of your cardboard shoe body. My templates are also important to reference, even if you're eyeballing them at a glance, to see where to apply glue to the bottom of the insole. Before applying any glue, dry fit your shoe body to your insole after cutting it out. Make sure there's about the same amount of space at either side of the toe at the front of the insole. Now apply glue. Liberally coat the inside of the shoe body glue tabs. Liberally apply glue to the bottom of the insole along the outer edges. Once your glue is tacky and feels like it's about to set well, start applying the shoe body to the insole by starting at one end of the shoe body, where your reference mark is. A small piece of masking tape can be handy to help hold this in place. While the first end of the shoe body is held in place, pull the rest of the shoe body tight around the heel end of the insole. Wrap it tight and pull the opposite end of the shoe body all the way around. Another small piece of masking tape can be handy to hold the other end also while the glue sets and while you press all the glue tabs. Place the shoe body and insole assembly flat on a tabletop and press down on the inside of the insole. This really helps flatten the glue tabs against the bottom of the insole. Be sure you're working on a table that will get glue all over it or protect the surface you're working on. You can also, making sure the shoe body is holding tight to the insole, bend and curve the shoe body as the glue sets. There's subtle positioning changes with the glue tabs that can really help alter the shape of the whole shoe. There you have it. Take a step back to appreciate your creation. At this point in the process, it should feel pretty good to see some progress. Having something take shape should start to build not just a shoe, but some confidence too. Next is part 5, and it's a tricky part focused on the toe, where we'll condition and glue the toe body. Until then, have fun, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.